Now, if a function is decreasing, it simply means that the rate of change is less than 0. And you know that the rate of change is the same thing as dy dx. So we are going to say, let this be our y, let this function be our y. So the derivative of this 3x squared, differentiate this, that gives us 5x. Differentiate this, that gives us 2. Okay, then this will be less than 0 since the function is decreasing. It should be less than 0. Okay, now we are going to solve this. Now this is a quadratic inequality, so let's go. We can substitute this middle one with minus 6x plus 3 plus x, then minus 2. And so from here, if I factor out 3x, I will have x minus 2 and then plus 1 bracket x minus 2 less than 0, so that I'm having 3x plus 1 and then x minus 2 less than 0. So for me to solve now, to get the solution to this quadratic inequality, all I'm going to do is to ask myself, if two things multiply themselves and it's less than 0, what does that tell us? It simply tells us that one of them should be less than 0. Okay, so it's either this one, which is 3x plus 1 is less than 0, while this will be greater than 0. This is the first case. Or the second case would be that this first one, 3x plus 1, will be greater than 0, while this second one will be less than 0. So these are the two cases. This is the first case and this is the second case. Okay, so from this first case now, I can get my x. If I make x the subject to the formula, I'm going to have that x is less than minus 1 over 3. From here, I will have that x is greater than 2. From here, I will have that x is greater than minus 1 over 3. From here, I will have that my x is less than 2. So you can see that we have 4 functions, 4 ranges here. So out of these 4, which of them is our main solution? Okay, so let's go. Let's put this in a let me put this on a number line. Okay, so if I'm having a number line, of course this is a minimum function, so it's going to be like this. So if here is my minus 1 over 3 and here is my 2, remember, if the function is decreasing, that is where the graph is moving downwards, and from here it's moving downwards. So which means that for you to move downwards, it involves terms that are greater than minus 1 over 3, okay? And then here, for it to move downwards, it means that it involves terms that are what? Less than 2. Because from here, it's moving downwards. From here, it's moving downwards. This is where it is decreasing below the x-axis, okay? So which means our solution to this problem is where x is greater than minus 1 over 3 and where x is less than minus 1 over 3. So these two are the solution. So we can incorporate this. We can actually put it this way as minus 1 over 3 is less than x is less than 2. And that is this whole region. This is the whole region representing that solution. And I hope you've gained value. Thanks for watching. Do have a good day. Bye.